This is an ECM out of a Durastar International Truck configured as a garbage carrier. This module came to ERD in a non-functioning condition and required extensive work to get back online. As shown in the video, we powered up the module and checked to see its communications on its various buses. The screen is showing the actual digital data being sent and passed back to our controller, which we set up and ran for some time to make sure the module did not prematurely shut down. After this module was repaired, we worked with the customer to reinstall and verify its full operation. All went as planned, and we have now repaired multiple of these modules and gotten them back in service very efficiently. ERD has an extensive background in truck controls, and we develop repair and testing procedure for every new module in order to get our repairs back ASAP.